Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on Magic Tile 3. To know how to fix or how to solve grayed out on Magic Tile 3, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on Magic Tile 3 and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.